Good morning students, welcome my channel Bhuloks Mathematics. Last class I have already discussed some important short answer type questions from the different chapters. Let us come and start some short answer type questions which is written in the blackboards. One by one now I am going to work out. Okay. First of all we have to working out the question number 6. If A and B are independent event, okay, then so that A dash and B dash are independent. Our aim is to prove A dash and B dash are independent. Given, write down, question number 6. Given, write down, A and B are independent. Okay, that means probability of A intersection B is equal to probability of A into probability of B. It is given. Our aim is to prove that. Write down claim. Claim meaning to show A dash and B dash are independent. That means we have to show that. Probability of A dash intersection B dash is equal to probability of A dash into probability of B dash. Okay, if we show probability of A dash intersection B dash is equal to probability of A dash into probability of B dash, then A dash and B dash are independent by definition. So how can you prove it? Write down probability of A dash intersection B dash. We know from the De Morgan's law, A dash intersection B dash is equal to A union B whole dash. So it is A union B whole dash by using De Morgan's law. Okay, De Morgan's law means A dash intersection B dash is equal to A union B whole dash. This is the De Morgan's law. Now, probability of A union B whole dash is equal to 1 minus probability of A union B. Okay, by definition, probability of A union B dash 1 minus probability of A union B. We know one formula, probability of A union B, probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. 1. Okay, so now sign will be changed. 1 minus probability of A minus probability of B plus, as A and B are independent, so probability of A intersection B, put probability of A into probability of B. You have to put here probability of A into probability of B, as A and B are independent. Now factorization it. 1 minus probability of A minus probability of B taking common. 1 minus probability of A. Okay, 1 minus probability of A, 1 minus probability of A taking common. So we get 1 minus probability of A into 1 minus probability of B. So we know 1 minus probability of A, that is probability of A dash into probability of B dash. So our aim is fulfilled. Probability of A dash intersection B dash, we get probability of A dash into probability of B dash. Hence, A and B, A dash and B dash are independent. Hence, A dash and B dash are independent. This is a very important question. will coming in your examinations. Okay. So probability of A dash intersection B dash, we get probability of A dash into probability of B dash. So A dash and B dash are independent. So this is the answer of the question number 6. Now we have to working out the question number 7. Find B matrix if B square is equal to 17, 8, 8, 17. So write down the question number 7 here. Let B is equal to A, B, C, D. It is a 2 by 2 matrix. Our aim is to find out the entries A, B, C, D. But it is given B square is equal to 17, 8, 8, 17. So write down B square means A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Okay. Matrix multiplication is only possible when the number of column of the first matrix must be equal to the number of row of the second matrix. So you have to multiply first row with first column. First row with first column. A into A square plus BC. This is the first entry. Now first row with second column. AB plus BD. Okay. Then second row first column. CA. SC plus CD. Okay. Then second row with second column. BC plus D square. Okay. But B square is given. That down. It is given 17, 8, 8, 17. Okay. Here it is A square plus BC, AB plus BD. Here it is AC plus CD. Here it is D square plus BC. Okay. So this is equal to this. We know two matrices A and B are said to be equal if the corresponding elements are equal. This is equal to this. 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 Okay. So the entries of corresponding elements are equal of two matrices. Write down A square plus BC. Write down A square plus BC. A square plus BC is equal to 17. Then AB plus BD. AB plus BD is equal to 8. Then SC plus CD. SC plus CD is also 8. Then D square plus BC is equal to 70. Our aim is to find out the value of A, B, C and D. So here it is 17. Here it is also 17. So this is equal to this. Okay. When the right hand side is equal, then left hand side must be equal. So here it is 1. Here it is 2. Here it is 3. Here it is 4. Equation number 4. So this is equal to this. 1 is equal to 4. So A square plus BC is equal to D square plus BC. So BC cancel. So A square is equal to D square. Okay. So A is equal to plus minus D. Okay. A square is equal to D square. A is equal to plus minus D, or A is equal to D. Write down. Let A is equal to D. First we have to take A is equal to D. So this also equal to this. SC plus CD is equal to AB plus BD. Now in place of D we have to put A. In place of D we have to put A. Okay. Here it is SC. Here it is In place of D, it is SC. Here it is AB. Here it is also D. In place of D, it is AB. 2SC is equal to 2AB. So 2 cancel. So A cancel. That implies B is equal to C. B must be equal to C. Okay, A is equal to D and B must be equal to C. Now from 1. From 1 write down. From 1, A square plus BC is equal to 17. In place of C, we have to put B. So that implies A square plus, in place of C, we have to put B. It is B square is equal to 17. Here it is star. A square plus B square is equal to 17. Again, we get here AB plus BD is equal to 8. Now in place of D, we have to put A. So that implies AB plus AB is equal to 8. In place of D, we have to put A. That implies 2AB is equal to 8. This is another concept, double star. Okay, A square plus B square 17, 2AB is equal to 8. We know one formula, A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB. A plus B whole square, that is A square plus B square plus 2AB. A square plus B square is given 17. 2AB is given as 8. So that is 25. A plus B whole square is equal to 25. So what is the value of A plus B? So A plus B is coming out 25 root over, that is 5. Okay, A plus B is coming out. A plus B is coming out. Now A minus B whole square. A minus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB. A square plus B square is given 17. Here it is minus 8, that is 9. So what is the value of A minus B? Write down A minus B is equal to root over of 9, that is 3. Okay, A plus B is equal to 5. A minus B is coming out 3. Now adding these two, A minus B is equal to 3. Write down A plus B is equal to, A plus B is equal to 5. A minus B is equal to 3. Adding these two, plus B minus B cancel. 2A is equal to 8. So A is coming out 4. The value of A is coming out 4. A is equal to D. So when A is equal to 4, D must be equal to 4. A is equal to 4, D is also equal to 4. So when A is coming out, then B can be found out easily. Write out B. The value of B is, the value of B is equal to, A plus B is equal to 5. When A is equal to 4, 5. B is equal to 1. B is equal to 1. B must be equal to C. B is equal to C. So A is coming out, B is also coming out, C is also coming out, D is also coming out. So the matrix B is equal to A, B, C, D. Write down A is equal to 4. Here it is 1, 1, 4. Okay. So B square is given. Our aim is to find out the value of B. So B is getting as 4, 1, 1, 4. Okay. So this is the answer of the question number 7. B to be found out. This square is given. This is the question from matrix. Very important question. So in this manner, you have to work out these problems. Now we have to work out the question number 8. Prove that, write down, prove that sine inverse 1 by root 5 plus cos inverse 3 by root 10 is equal to tan inverse 1. Okay, so write down question number 8, very important question. Sine inverse, write down, sine inverse 1 by root 5 plus cos inverse 3 by root 10. LHS I am taking. Okay, how to convert this inverse trigonometric function to a tan inverse? So you have to make one right angle. Write down one right angle. Very easy method. I am explaining it. Here it is a sine inverse 1 by root 5. So sine theta is p by h. In place of p, it is 1. H, p by h means root 5. When p is given, h is given, b can be found out. This square minus this square. 5 minus 1, that is 4, it is 2. So our aim is to convert it into tan inverse. So this goes to tan inverse as tan inverse p by b. P is 1, b is 2. So it is 1 by 2. So this is converted to this. Sine inverse 1 by root 5 is converted to tan inverse 1 by 2. This is the technique by means of which all inverse trigonometric function is converted within 1 second. Now we have to convert this cos inverse 3 by root 10 to tan inverse. You have to also make one right angle. So cos theta b by h. In place of b it is 3. In place of hsa it is root 10. When hsa is given, b is given, p can be found out as root over of 10 minus 3. Here it is 1. P is coming out 1 by 3. Our aim is to convert this to tan. So it is tan inverse p by b. P is 1, b is 3. Okay. So sine inverse 1 by root 5 is converted to tan inverse 1 by 2. Cos inverse 3 by root 10 is converted to tan inverse 1 by 3. By using the right angle triangle, this is the very useful concept by means of which we have to convert all inverse trigonometric function to another inverse trigonometric functions. Okay. So this is the formula, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Write down tan inverse x plus y divided by 1 minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 3. We know one formula. Write down tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. This is the formula. Okay. So now we have to simplify it. Taking LCM. Tan inverse, here it is 6, here it is 3 plus 2, here it is 6 minus 1 by 6, 6 cancelled. So that is tan inverse 1. Our aim is fulfilled, tan inverse 1. That can be also written as tan inverse tan pi by 4. So tan inverse of tan box is equal to box pi by 4. If the question is asking, prove that it is value pi by 4. So result is coming like this. So our aim is to reach here. So proof of the question number 8 is completed. In this manner, within 2 minutes, you have to work out this type of problems. First of all, you have to convert these inverse trigonometric functions to tan by using right angle triangle method. It is P, it is H. P is given, H is given. By Pythagoras theorem, B's can be found out. H square minus P square. H square means 5 minus 1, 4 root over 2. So, tan inverse P by B. P is 1, B is 2. Tan inverse 1 by 2. Similarly, cos inverse 3 by root 10 is also converted to tan inverse 1 by 3. How? By using right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. Cos inverse, it is B. B is here 3 base. Hypotenuse is root 2. Then P can be found out 10 square. Root 10 square minus 3. It is 9. Sorry. 9. 3 square, it is 9. It is 1. The value is 1. 3 square, that is 9. So, tan inverse P by B, 1 by root 3. One formula is there, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Tan inverse x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. So, the result is tan inverse 1. Tan inverse 1 means the value is 5 by 4. So, this is the answer of question number 8. Now, we have to working out the question number 9. Very important question. So, how can you do it? Write down question number 9. From the integral, we know a to b fx dx is equal to a to b f of a plus b minus x into dx. This is the very important formula in definite integrals. So using this concept, we have to working out a is 3, b is 6. So let's write down I is equal to 3 to 6. Here it is root x divided by 9 minus x plus root x into dx. Okay? A is 3, b is 6, a plus b is 9. Whenever you have to see x, then it is replaced by 9 minus x. Whenever you have to see x, then it is replaced by 9 minus x. So that is also written as 3 to 6. Here it is a plus b minus x. Here it is root x. Here it is root over of 9 minus x dx. This is also I. This is also I. Now we have to adding I plus I. Write down I plus I. 3 to 6. Here it is root x. Here it is 9 minus root x. Here it is root x plus 3 to 6. Here it is 9 minus x divided by root x, 9 minus x dx. When denominator is same, numerator will be added because the upper limit, lower limit is same. So that can be written as 2i is equal to 3 to 6. Here it is root x plus 9 minus root x divided by 9 minus x. Here it is root over of x into dx. Numerator will be added. So this cancelled. Okay, integral of dx, that is x, evaluated from 3 to 6. First of all, we have to put upper limit minus lower limit. So it is 3. 6 minus 3 is 3. 2i is equal to 3. 2i is equal to 3. So I is equal to 3 by 2. Okay. So this is the answer of the question. If question is asking like this, you have to proceed in this manner. Okay. Using this properties, a to b fx dx is equal to a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. Very important properties in definite integrals. Now, the last question is from LPP, linear programming problem. Solve graphically solve graphically. Max z is equal to 5x plus 6y such that 2x plus 3y less than equal to 6, x is greater than equal to 0 and y is greater than equal to 0. Write down the answer. Step 1. Convert the inequalities in the set of constraints into equalities. Write down. Let convert the inequalities in the set of constraints into equalities. Okay, so that is 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. First of all, we have to convert the inequalities in the set of constraints into equalities. Then you have to make one box like this. It is x, it is y. Put x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0, 3y is equal to 6, y is equal to 2. When y equal to 0, put y equal to 0, 2x is equal to 6, x is equal to 3. Okay? For points on x-axis, we have to put y equal to 0. For points on y-axis, we have to put x is equal to 0. Join these 2 points by using length scale, which gives rise to a corresponding lines. Now we have to draw the straight lines in 2-dimensional plane by using graph papers. Okay? So our blackboard is our graph papers. So you see here it is axis x, o, x dash. Here it is y. Here it is y dash. Suppose it is 1. It is 2. Here it is 3. Here it is 1. Here it is 2. Here it is 3. 3 units. So when x is equal to 0, y equal to 2. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to 2. So you have to make one circle there. When y is equal to 0, x is equal to 3 here. So using these two by using scale. So you have to using scale, you have to join this line. So that is the corresponding line. Line can be drawn by using 2 points minimum. So here it is 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. Now, considering the inequalities, write down, considering the inequalities, half planes are drawn. Half planes are drawn, which is indicated by arrow mark. This is the second step of LPP. Considering the inequalities, half planes are drawn which is indicated by arrow mark. Here the inequalities is 2x plus 3y less than equal to 6. Origin is here. Put x0, y0. 0 less than equal to 6, which is true. So the arrows will be towards the origin. Okay? Arrows are towards the origin. Okay? Next step. Considering half planes and non-negative restrictions, we get a common region is called feasible region. Which is indicated by shading, SHAD, shadowing. Okay, so X positive, here it is X positive, Y positive. So this is the common region which is indicated by shading. You have to shading it. Okay, shading it. This is the feasible region. Write down. It is called as a feasible region. Feasible region. Okay. Then here it is one corner point. Here it is also another corner point. Evaluating the objective function at each corner point. Write down. Evaluating the objective function at each corner point. Okay, so you have to make one box. How can you do it? Here it is one table. Here it is corner point. Here it is Z. Z is equal to 5x plus 6y. 5x plus 6y. It is A. It is 3, 0. Here it is B. 0, 2. This point. Now, at A, 3, 0. So, Z1 is equal to x3, y0. 5 into 3, that is 15. Okay? B, 0, 2. Here it is Z2. X0, y. 6 into 2, that is 12. Okay? Our aim is to find out the maximum Z. So here it is 15, here is 12. What is the maximum Z? Maximum is 12. So write down max Z is equal to 15. Max Z is equal to 15. What is the value? So x is equal to 3, y is equal to 0. So this is the solution of above linear programming problem by using graphical method. First of all, you have to convert the inequalities into equalities. Then draw the lines in two-dimensional planes. Considering the inequalities, we have to find out the point where it is indicated, that is represented by arrow mark. Considering the inequalities and non-negative restrictions, we get a common region that is called as a feasible region. Then find out the corner point of feasible region, evaluating the objective function at each corner point. Then the question is asking maximum Z, max Z is equal to 15. For what value? X is equal to 3, y equal to 0. Thank you all for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel, like my channel and share my channel.